have been using this blender for 6 months. From the day I got it, it completely changed my morning breakfast. I had this whole breakfast I had done every morning for almost 10 years. And then I got this and I switched to smoothies just like that. And now my daughter and I have had smoothies pretty much every single day for 6 months. Let me show you what I've learned about this blender in that time frame. Now, the biggest mistake I made is not realizing that the blender bottom came apart. And I gotta be honest, after 2 weeks of not taking this apart, it had gotten pretty gross. So know that this all comes apart. This bottom blender is super sturdy. It has this gasket. It just slides right on. And then this just pushes right in. And it actually does have clips on the backside, so you can twist it into the clips and it'll stay in place. The next lesson took me forever to learn is that even though this has little sticky feet that hold it down to whatever surface you put it onto, you can hold it and shake it while it's running, no problem. And half the time you need to do that if you've put frozen food in it and it's gotten stuck in the top. Now let me show you my favorite smoothie and how I put it in so everything gets blended just right every time. Now you get 2 of these cups and they come with lids if you want to take them with you on the go. I never use the lids and I pretty much always drink out of the cup for easy cleaning. They have a max fill line and I will usually fill it a little past the max, which I probably shouldn't, but it works fine. The main thing is just to make sure you have enough liquids to everything else you have in it. I pretty much always start with a banana. One of the reasons why I like starting with a banana is that it's not frozen, so it's not going to stick to the bottom of the cup. Then I add some frozen strawberries, whatever milk of your choice. And then finally, I use a great protein powder. I make sure to always put this in after I've added the milk, so it doesn't all just stick to the bottom. And that's it. Twist on the top, and then just stick it right on, and you twist it in. And it will not turn on unless it's twisted in, but once it's in, you can just let it sit there like that. And then when you want to run it, you have low and high. I basically just always hold it on high. And when you do the quick go, you can see how strong it is, and it very quickly starts cutting everything up. But I've learned it takes about 40 seconds to fully blend, or at least that's what I count to, as sometimes the strawberries or whatever you have that's in there is frozen, can keep spinning up, and it takes just a little more time to hit it enough times till it turns into a perfect smoothie. So let me blend it. And there you go. Now I have that perfect smoothie. Just take right off the top. And there it is. Delicious, fantastic. I cannot tell you how much of a life changer this really has been for me, and I definitely recommend it.